Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Quickening mod. This powerful melee mod significantly boosts your combat effectiveness. At its maximum rank, Quickening provides a substantial 40% increase to your melee attack speed, making your strikes much faster. Additionally, it offers a 20% chance to increase your combo count, which is crucial for scaling damage with other mods. It's a fantastic addition to many melee weapon setups. Your best bet for acquiring the Quickening mod is by heading to the defection mission on Memphis, located on Phobos. This particular node provides the highest drop chance. To maximize your odds, you'll want to reach Rotation C of the mission rewards. Successfully completing this will give you a 15% chance to obtain the Quickening mod, making it the most efficient farming method. If defection missions aren't your preference, there are several alternative locations. You can also find the Quickening mod as a Rotation C reward in various Dark Sector survival missions. Planets like Ceres, Jupiter, Mars, Phobos, Saturn, and Venus each host a suitable Dark Sector survival node. These missions provide an 11.28% chance to drop the mod, offering more options for your farming efforts. Should farming prove too challenging or time-consuming, remember that you can always acquire the Quickening mod through player trading. Typically, it costs around 15 platinum from other Tenno. This provides a convenient and quick way to add this valuable mod to your arsenal without needing to run missions repeatedly. Whether you farm or trade, getting Quickening will significantly boost your melee power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.